Welcome back. It's Fabulous TT, and I'm bringing y'all another video today. It's an unboxing. It's gonna be my new hobby. So yes, I'm on my way to work, but I decided to go ahead and put up a video for you guys. So I can't let y'all know where I work at. That's why I got this little house coat on, but it is what it is. But today, the unboxing is diamond art painting. So it is going to be one of my new hobbies when I'm not always working. I do work a lot because, I got to keep these bills paid because I'm an independent woman. So, yeah, but diamond art painting. So I decided to choose the unicorn rainbow because it's feminine, it's colorful, and I like unicorns. So, and I feel like I want to try like a small painting first because I heard the big paintings take a lot of time and it can get hard. So since I never did diamond painting before, I decided to go ahead and get it. So I just love the packaging. Great packaging. And then I went ahead and got something else too because I know I'm gonna be needing it when I start my hobby. So I went ahead and got the release plate papers. It's 200 pieces. This is to cover the art painting, so you don't get like sticky stuff on it when you're trying to do a section by section. And also with these, you could do section by section. You don't have to like do the whole painting. You could just do section by section, and they got it already cut out for you guys. So this was $12.99, and this was also I'm sorry, this is $14.99, and this was $12.99. So yeah, these two. So let's go ahead and open them up for you guys. So I want to do this first. So I got my scissors with me. And let's go ahead and open it. So yeah. Oh, nice. Opens real easy. And let's see. Let's show you guys what I got. Oh. So first thing I pull out is the diamond painting toolkit. It comes with the wax, my pen, and I'm trying to think what it is, little Ziploc bags where you can put all the diamond painting inside, because you're going to have to separate color by color. And then, okay, and here is my sticker. You put the sticker on the side of the box. Well, I'm going to put it on the side of the box so I can keep track of my paintings. But I love that. Thank you. And here is the painting. It says diamond art. Do what makes you sparkle. I do like sparkle, y'all. I do. Very nice packaging, by the way. Oh, it's so soft. I never thought it was soft like this. So cute. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm freaking out here. And this is the step-by-step instructions that I like that they give us. They got tips and tricks. And they say, thank you for your purchase. You made our day. We hope we make yours. So the artist of this painting, well, no, this says founder Angie Shihai, excuse me if I pronounce your last name wrong. I'm so sorry. So I love that. And that's, oh, it's a little cute little baby painting, which that would be okay because it's my first one. So yeah, so here she is. so cute, y'all. I cannot wait to get started. But yeah, also, it doesn't look that hard. And let's see, I'm trying to see if I can find the name of the painter. Don't see it. And also it comes with this. This is like your keep track of when you do the painting. So it has a start date and end date, which we're gonna start it tonight. Today is September the 12th, 2023. And here is all my diamonds. So yeah, let's open this up and see. Okay. Yeah, it has all my favorite colors in. I can tell you right now, like, oh, and I love how I thought it was just a wraparound. No, it comes like in this. That's great. So, oh, okay. So this, oh, look at this purple sparkling. So this is one packet. Oh, green is so pretty. This is the second packet. Not so many diamonds, which I'll probably get done with this in no time. Like, y'all don't know me. Like, I love stuff like this. Like, when I was little, I used to win, like, color contests for real. Like, my mama still got, like, all my certificates, everything. But I won Publix. I won with Dixie, Walmart, Kmart. I mean, I won color contests. So, I'm very, you know, I love to color. So, I thought this would be a good little hobby to start, like, up in my life, you know. And that is it. But yeah, like, all this came in a packet. Promise y'all, for $14.99, all this, you can't beat that. So you better go look up Diamond Art Painting. They do have an app store where you could download it, and you know, they have all different types of paintings, so you can make a purchase and whatnot. But stay tuned for the results of me doing Diamond Art Painting. Remember to, you know, click on that notification button if you want to see more of my Diamond Art Painting videos. I am also still doing clothes and shoes. I'm also still doing nails. So I'm an entrepreneur, baby. Like, I like to do different things. So stay tuned. It's your girl, Fabulous TT.